Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maya and I am your English partner in your English learning journey. So friends, I hope you all are doing fine and you are learning my English daily sentences which I gave you in my last video. I hope you are doing your English practice very well and you're doing your English speaking practice also. Friends, today I have come here again with another important topic which is related to English grammar. Friends, yes, this is the topic of the day, that whether we should put our main focus on English grammar or not. Sometimes when I talk to people or when I talk to my friends, I find them confusing because they are not able to answer this question very clearly. Because they also find it very confusing that whether they should go for English grammar first or they should directly start speaking English. Well, this question might be confusing for you also, friends. Well, it is understood that if we want to learn any language, we need to learn grammar of that language, right? So, little bit of grammar is required to learn any type of language. So friends, it depends that for what purpose you want to learn a language. Okay, suppose if you want to learn English grammar, right? So if you are a student of English, so you need to learn, you need to mug up all the rules of English grammar, right? If you want to get good marks, you want to score good in your English exam, so English grammar is must for you. And on the other side, if you are a teacher, you want to run your own English institute, right? So it's natural that you should know all the rules of English grammar. You have to mug up, so that you will be able to teach others, right, correctly. So friends, let's take another example, that if you want to travel a country, right, you want to go English country where English language is spoken, so you should know at least the basics of that language, okay? Otherwise you will not be able to speak, you will not be able to interact with those people there. You just need to know a little bit of that language so that you can interact with those people, very easily, very freely. So that they can understand you, you can understand them. So I think I have made you understand enough so that you can decide on your own that what you have to do or what you not have to do. So friends, you have to decide by yourself and don't go by what people say. You have to take your own decision, okay? So don't get confused. Just take a step ahead and start your English journey with me. And if you like my videos, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos also. Friends, that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, you have to practice some English daily sentences which I am going to give you now. So for now, bye bye, take care and enjoy, and do not skip your English practice for a single day. Bye bye. So here are advanced English sentences for you guys. तुम्हें ये पहले कर लेना चाहिए था. You should have done it earlier. You should have done it earlier. मेरी बात सुनो, वरना तुम्हारा बाहर निकलना बंद. Listen to me or you will be grounded. Listen to me or you will be grounded. मैं जानती हूँ तुम सब मेरे पीठ पीछे क्या करते हो. I know what all you do behind my back. I know what all you do behind my back. 3 गिनते ही पीछे मुड़ो. On the count of 3, turn around. On the count of 3, turn around. बाथरूम का दरवाज़ा अटक गया है. The bathroom door is stuck. The bathroom door is stuck. कृपया मामले की गंभीरता को समझें. Please understand the gravity of the situation. Please understand the gravity of the situation. शाम तक मौसम सुहाना हो जाता है. Weather gets pleasant by the end of evening. Weather gets pleasant by the end of evening. कभी हमारे यहाँ भी घूमने आइए. Make a plan to visit us someday. Make a plan to visit us someday. मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम बहाने बना रही हो. I know that you are making excuses. I know that you are making excuses. खाना देखकर मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make a face on seeing the food. Don't make a face on seeing the food. चेक बनाने के बाद उसमें कोई बदलाव मत करना. Don't make any changes after writing the check. Don't make any changes after writing the check. मैं हर रोज़ अंग्रेज़ी सीखने का भरसक प्रयास कर रही हूँ. I am making an effort to speak English every day. I am making an effort to speak English every day. अब तुम आगे बढ़ने के बाद पीछे नहीं हट सकते. You can't go back once you make a move. You can't go back once you make a move. अगर तुम वादा करते हो तो उसे निभाओ भी. If you make a promise, then you must keep it. If you make a promise, then you must keep it. तुम्हारे चुटकुले मुझे बहुत हंसाते हैं. Your jokes make me laugh a lot. Your jokes make me laugh a lot. तुम्हारे आईफोन से मुझे जलन है. Your iPhone makes me jealous. Your iPhone makes me jealous. उसने तुम्हारा मजाक बनाया. He made a fool of you. He made a fool of you. मेरे दोस्तों ने व्यापार में अच्छा पैसा कमाया है. My friends have made good money in business. My friends have made good money in business. बच्चों के सामने गालियाँ मत दो. Don't swear in front of the kids. Don't swear in front of the kids. चिंता मत करो, मैं जल्दी ही लय में आ जाऊँगा. Don't worry, I will soon get in the groove. Don't worry, I will soon get in the groove. That's all for today, friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.